pants, okay. SpongeBob big guy pants, okay. So big guy, go big guy, go big guy, go big guy. So SpongeBob big guy pants, okay. SpongeBob big guy pants, okay. So guys, that is dance for this trending big guy like SpongeBob. I can't believe SpongeBob movie that has trended over like I think that movie came out like 3 years ago. Yeah, and now big guy is trending for SpongeBob once more. You see trend, guys, it is what it is. You just see what it is. In case you are new here, my name is Teoluckzboom and I do dance video for you guys, dance tutorials, dance challenges for you guys. Kindly subscribe to my channel down below. Like this video, guys. Like this video, guys. Subscribe down below for me, guys. Let's dive right into the SpongeBob big guy. Let's go, SpongeBob, bing bum, SpongeBob, bing bum, SpongeBob, bing bum, pants okay, SpongeBob, bing bum, pants okay, big guy. Go big guy, go big guy. SpongeBob big guy pants okay. SpongeBob big guy pants okay. So guys, let's dive into the video. The first step in this tutorial, is you do big guy. First of all, make sure your waist is bending like this, bending like this, bending like this, bending like this. So it's first 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, so the first step is take notice, that's first guys. So it's going to go 5, 6, 7, 8. Big guy, big guy. Listen guys, so big guy, big guy, big guy, oh big guy. Listen guys, let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. Big guy, big guy, big guy, oh big guy. I see my waist guys. Let's go 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Big guy, big guy, big guy, oh big guy. Let's go guys. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Big guy, big guy, big guy, oh big guy. Let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. Big guy, go big guy, go big guy. So this is guys, also muscle up, muscle down, muscle down. Go make sure we start tilting left, tilting right, tilting left, tilting right. This big guy, go big guy, go big guy. Okay, also have my channel. Kindly subscribe down below for me, guys. Subscribe down below. Let's go, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Big guy, oh big guy, big guy, oh big guy. So the next step in this tutorial is SpongeBob big guy pants okay. For me, guys. So you have to start doing SpongeBob big guy. I think that's it. SpongeBob big guy. Says SpongeBob big guy pants okay. Let's go 5, 6, 7, 8. SpongeBob big guy pants okay. SpongeBob big guy pants okay. Pants okay. Make sure pants okay. Pants is your side hip. Let's go when we start. 5, 6, 7, go. Big guy, go big guy. See the big guy, come on, big guy, go. SpongeBob big guy pants okay. SpongeBob big guy pants okay. When we start, everyone just together. 5, 6, 7, go. Big guy, oh big guy. Say big guy and a big guy. Says big guy, SpongeBob pants okay. SpongeBob big guy pants okay. How many lyrics, guys? Let's jump on my scene. Let's just learn dance. Let's learn dance. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Big guy, ding guy, gonna ding ding, ding ding ding, ding ding, bing oompa, ding ding, bam bam. Make sure you are doing it with steez, guys. With steez, put a little steez in it, guys. In it. So subscribe to my channel, guys. Like this video. Comment what you think. Also, dance to try out in the comment section. Let me know, guys, in the comment section. And if you do this dance to try, don't forget to put hashtag Teoluckzboom. Hashtag Teoluckzboom, guys, in your video, so we can make this trend trending. Hashtag Teoluckzboom, guys. Let's go one time for the start. 5, 6, 7, go. Big guy, go big guy. Say big guy, go big guy. Big guy, SpongeBob pants alright. SpongeBob big guy pants alright. Big guy, oh big guy. Big guy, oh big guy. Big guy, SpongeBob pants alright. big guy, SpongeBob pens alright. So that is that tutorial for this SpongeBob guy. Let's go do one more time in slow-mo. In slow-mo guys, in slow-mo. So let's go. Big guy. Big guy. Big guy. Oh, big guy. Big guy, SpongeBob pens alright. Big guy, SpongeBob pens alright. Big guy, oh big guy. Come on, big guy, oh big guy. Big guy, SpongeBob pens alright. Come on, big guy, SpongeBob pens alright. So guys, that is dance tutorial for Big Guy by SpongeBob. In case you like this video, kindly subscribe down below. For me, comment what you think in the comment section. You guys are my trusted subscribers, I love you guys. Just comment down below in the comment section. Like this video for me. Share to your friends and family who dance Big Guy by SpongeBob. Big guy, go big guy, go big guy, go big guy. Let's do big guy together, guys. And don't forget to do this outro for my channel. You can put hashtag Teoluckzboom in your videos. I think it will make your video go there. Just try that, guys. Don't forget to like the video, watch the videos over here. I'll see you guys in my next video, guys. In my next video. Comment if you want to comment in the comment section. See you guys in my next video. Happy New Year once more to you guys. Happy New Year 2026. Bigger.